6:15, new personal best. Not too sticky either. $580, 6.1.
You gotta serve another year.
6062. Nice.
Alright guys, the videos are first for the impatient people, and the follow-up is the discussion about exactly what happened. Well, my buddy Cameron Powers with the Crown Vic with the 6-liter and S480 VS Racing turbo swap in it decided to make a little bit of changes and go back to the track and race. A lot of you might remember his car previously having the 6-liter. It has a Jarrett cam, a variation of the 218, and it had 70 65s VS Racing, so 70 compressor, 65 turbines in twin turbo, and it was running air to water. Well, he decided, under my recommendation for better or worse, to get rid of the water and convert the car to air, build his own single turbo kit. Previously he always had people build him turbo kits, so he built his own hot side, did his own stuff, had, I believe he sent his turbine up here to Pennsylvania and had Mike Diano weld the wastegate flange to the turbine. So that is all together. Anyway, he messed around with changing out some converters. He also installed a Trailblazer intake. He did a bunch of stuff back and forth, and he had the car out recently, and at this 8th mile track that is not, I'm not going to say it's a garbage track, but it's not well known for, you know, Friday night prep. So they just have some local guys come out. No need to spray down $1,200 for the drag radial. Door slammers going mid 3s. Anyway, you get my point. He changed a few things. He went out. So just last night, he, on his A to B tune-up, made a 625 pass. I have the time slips here. I will display them. And then we changed one or two things, and he went 615 at 114, which his best pass, I believe, with the twin turbos on kill and a small shot of dry nitrous, was a 618, 617. So he jumped right to the 615 boost only on a track that is not as good. So very impressive, looking good. For a lot of people that don't know what that is, for a 4,000-pound Crown Vic with a roll cage, it's moving. He added weight to the car and is going faster. So the neat thing here would be is to get into the 5s on turbo only, and then spray a little bit of dry nitrous, and at a quarter-mile track, see if we can dip a 4,000-pound stock long block car into the 8s. That is the exciting stretch goal for this vehicle, if I could share that, guys, with you. So that's how we're doing. That's how it's doing. I hope you guys enjoy the overlay and the afterthoughts. Have a nice day. Bye.